scenario in here?
ICT can help in the health sector a lot. It can have direct access of the patient to the various fields in the hospital. What are the diagnostic services? What are the therapeutic services? And what are the doctors available? And how he can choose the doctor and he can choose the technology for the disease he want to. Okay.
Yes. Sir, please elaborate on the challenges faced while deploying new technology in health sector.
New technologies, they have got double-edged swords. They can be helpful, they can be harmful also, because new technology, if tested, it is well and good. If we are doing it for the first time, then we have to take what is the consequences, what are the side effects of the technologies. And we should not adopt any technology blindly. It should be well time tested technology. And for particularly technology which is having backup, then it's okay. And after sales services in the technologies and upgradation of the technology should also be available. Then only it should be applicable to the hospital, to the other things. Okay.
Yes. Sir, what are your views on the inclusion of mobile technology in health systems delivery models?
So mobile system only conveys the information. Actually, doctor is the who has to take the decision. So if it is communicated to the doctor well in time, and then only it is responded in time, then it is of use. Otherwise, in India, what happens? The mobile information is received, but the action part is very much delayed. So unless the action part is increased, mobile technology will have no use.
Yes. Sir, what is the role of telemedicine to improve health scenario in rural areas?
Rural area has got little approach to the doctors in person. In order to get the expert opinion, telemedicine in the field of the X-rays, in surgical operation, cardiothoracic surgery, heart diseases, expert opinion can be sought within seconds. And the locally available doctor can treat the patient with the help of the expert in time.
Yes. Sir, according to you, what is the ideal roadmap to achieve the goals of health access to all in India?
Health sector is distributed in the private sector, government sector and NGOs. Unless until there is coordination of these all sectors and there is uniform policy, because the private sectors, their aim is to earn the money. A government sector, they are more or less charitable, and NGOs come in between them. So unless until there is defined role of these three, you cannot achieve anything. So role of private sector as well government should be very well defined, and it should be approachable to the all.
Yes, sir. Sir, thank you so much for joining
Okay,
us. Thank you.
thank you.